This is a clear plastic hip ruler. Well, the reason I like the clear plastic one is because you could see your corrections. Like, let's say you have this line and you want to correct it or you want a better shape. I just move this around and I could see where I have the line and where I want to make the changes. I'll just keep moving around and you can see how it's going to tie up with the other one. So here, like here, then it's not much, but enough for me to say, this is my correction. And then I could flip it and I could see that what I really need for this one is a vary form. So, here. So it just makes a nice curve. So this is really handy to have. And let's say you have a line. See how you could see where it was, and you could see where the corrections could be made, which I really like. And you could flip it, and if it's necessary, change it. Okay, so that's why like I said, this one's good for the hip and straight on the legs of a pant.